Hi there, welcome to Blockpress. If you are trying to generate an Instagram X token using your Facebook business account, it might seem a bit confusing at first. Yeah, we have all been there, but don't worry, if you follow the simple steps I'm about to show you, you will be able to get your Instagram X token in a few minutes. No stress, no tech headache. At first, log into your Instagram account and go to Edit Profile. Click on the account type and tools and switch to professional account. Click business and click next. Next, and choose any category which is belongs to you. In my case, it is personal blog. Click done and continue. Click done. Now you should go to the Facebook and go to your Facebook page. You need to connect your Instagram account with a Facebook page. Go to page settings, down it, and click here link accounts. Click Instagram and click connect accounts. Click connect, confirm, and click the login button. And this is the Nature Hunter. This is my business portfolio, and click continue. Our Instagram account has connected with the Facebook page and click done. Now you need to go developers.facebook.com. Now click my apps on here and now click create app. On the app name field, give any name and hit the next button. And use cases, select other and hit the next button. Select business and click next. Review everything and everything seems to be okay. Now click create app. Submit your Facebook password. On here, go to Facebook login for business and click setup. Check everything one time and hit the save change button. Hover your mouse on the tools and click Graph API Explorer. On here, select the app you have created. In my case, it is BGWP Helper 911. You should select Get Token from here. To need some permission here, and on the video description, I will add these permissions. Page show list, business management, Instagram basic, Instagram manage comments, Instagram manage insights, and finally page read engagement. Now click on the generate access token and click continue. Click continue and select the Facebook page which has been connected to the Instagram account and click continue and select your business portfolio and click continue and so finally select the Instagram account which is associated or already connected with this Facebook page and click continue and click save. Got it. And now copy this token from here and go to tools and click the access token debugger. Paste here the access token you have generated and click debug. Almost on the bottom, as you can see here, extend an access token and click here and copy the token from here. Now it is time to add the access token to the WordPress dashboard. Go to your WordPress and make sure you have installed Divi Instagram feed by Divi extension. Click on the Divi or navigate through the Divi and click on the Instagram feed. We have already added an Instagram account. Now we are going to add another account. this is business account, and we are selecting the business account and insert our token in here and click connect this account. As we can see here, we have successfully connected our Instagram account. Now it is time to add the Instagram feed module. Add the Instagram feed module. Click on the source, add Instagram source account, and select your account. Features of the Divi Instagram feed plugin by Divi Extension. It is packed with tools to take your site's visual to the next level.